Hi, I am Nilakshi. Today I have brought again one mathematical video um, to solve some problems in rational number. Okay. In my previous videos also I explain different some criteria of rational number, and now let's we solve one problem. Okay. My question is, insert 10 rational numbers between minus uh, 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. These two are also rational number. That means then thereby put them in the number line. Okay. So that means my question is, insert 10 numbers, that means rational numbers. Okay. 10 numbers between two numbers, that means rational numbers minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. Okay. This is my question. Now what we have to do for this? Let's we systematically, practically we draw a number line. Okay. For this, again draw a number line. That means this number line is, that means x-axis, x dash, x dash, which divides equally at 0 point. The right hand side of the 0 describe the positive side, and the left hand side of the 0 describe the negative side of the integers. Okay. Now if we since the denominator portion is 11, so we now let's equally sectionize this positive side into 11 equal points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Here I give a point E. Okay. And similarly this negative side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here I give a mark with a point Q. I give it as the name Q. That means it is the negative side. Since I equally sectionize into 11 points because the denominator portions in the both cases are 11. Now you see here, this is, that means the what? This is 11, and this is also, that means 11. Oh, sorry, 11. It's measurement. Now the first point is what? The first point will be 1 to 11. Then out of 11 points, it is 1/11. The second point will be 2 by 11. Third point will be 3 by 11. Fourth point will be 11. 5 point will be 5 by 11. 6 point will be 6 by 11. 7 point will be 7 by 11. 8 point will be 8 by 11. 9 point will be 9 by 11. 10 point will be 10 by 11. Okay, and 11 at this point will be 11 by 11. Okay, now here between minus t and this, now what we have to do? 0 between 1 by, we have to first of all this negative section also we determine. Okay, this is also what? Minus 1 by 11. This is minus 2 by 11. This is minus 3 by 11. This is minus 4 by 11. This is minus 5 by 11. This is minus 6 by 11. This is minus 7 by 11. This is minus 8 by 11. This is minus 9 by 11. Okay? So, between minus 3 by 11, what is the point? This is 3 by, this is. Okay? This is minus 3 by 11. I give it as a name, point A, minus 3 by 11. 1, 2, 3. And 8 by 11. Here, 8 by 11 this is. Okay, this is 8 by 11. I give it as a name B. Okay. So all the points between A and B we have got. Understand? That means what? Minus 3 by 11. Then we got minus 2 by 11. Then we have got minus 1 by 11. Okay? Then what? We have got the 0 point. Then we got 1 by 11. Then we have got the plus, that means plus 1 by 11. Then plus 2 by 11. Then we have got plus 3 by 11. Then we have got 4 by 11. Then we have got 5 by 11. Then we have got 6 by 11. Then we have got 7 by 11. Okay? So many numbers. So we can conclude how. That means we can conclude the answer is like this, because the negative is always less than positive. Okay, so we can, using the less than greater than sign, we can conclude your answer. Okay, minus 3 by 11. No? Okay, that means minus 2 by, your answer is minus 2 by 11 less than is what? Minus 1 by 11. Okay? Sorry. Your answer is minus 2 by 11, then less than minus 1 by 11, then what? Then comes 0, then what happens? Again plus 1 by 11, less than plus 2 by 11, then again less than plus 3 by 11, then less than plus 4 by 11, then less than plus 5 by 11, then less than plus 6 by 11, then plus 7 by 11. Okay, all these things. And we can also, we may write the 8 by 11 also, because the between 8 by 11 and your question has been asked as like this, between minus 3 by 11 and between plus 8 by 11. Your answer is, again I want explain the, first of all we have drawn the line, then we have sectionized the both side into 11 two points equally. Then because the denominator portions are 11 in the both case, and then we have sectionized each and every point represent 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11, and like this up to 11 by 11. In the similarly the negative side is minus 1 by 11, then minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 4 by 11, etc. up to minus 11 by 11. So when all this happens, then we systematically count this between the number line minus 3 by 11 is less than minus 2 by 11, and all this like this. Okay, thank you.